Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Preetham's Code Journal. In this video, we will study about tuples. We studied about the numerical data types, strings and list in the previous video. So if you haven't watched the video, I have pasted the links to these videos so you can go and watch those videos. Okay, so let us start with tuples. So two important thing about tuples are these are in the round brackets or normal brackets, and these are not modifiable, means these are immutable. Okay, so let us have our first example. Let us say P. Now tuple is like a group of comma separated values. So I will have the value 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is the first 5 even numbers inside the tuple P. Now let us go ahead for the like 5 alphabet, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Then let us say next variable as R, which is having multiples of 5 or 10. Let us say 10 only. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So I had characters above, so I will put parenthesis for A, B, C, D, E and F also, because if I won't put the parenthesis, then it will give me a error. Okay, so let us write the parenthesis first of all. Okay, so now let us proceed ahead. uh, you can also have integers and characters in one tuple also. Okay, so there is no like restriction that only integer types can be in tuple or only character types can be in tuple. We can have combination of both also. Okay, so we have this s tuple which is containing the vowels a, e, I, o, u. Okay, so let us say t variable, which is a tuple containing integer values as well as the character values. Okay, before writing an example of that, let us write comment that we cannot change values in tuples. So we cannot change values in tuples. Okay. So now let us have output of let us say first p tuple. So we have the even numbers, tuple of the even numbers. Now let us say next one. So let us say q. Now it will print the 6 characters, that is the 6 alphabets. Let us say next one. So we got the 5 multiples of 10. For S part, we got the vowels. Okay. Now let us have a new tuple T, which is having integer values as well as the character values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and A. Then let us say E, I. Okay. Now let us print this tuple. So we got the integer part also and the character part also. Okay. Because the tuples are just a group of comma separated values of any data type within the parenthesis. Okay, so these were the examples. Now let us do an experiment. As we know that we cannot modify the values, but we have to remember that we can add or delete any value inside the tuple. Okay, so let us have a trial and error method. We will see if we can modify a particular index value or not. Okay, so for the last tuple, that is t, we changed the 0th index value to 10, but we got an error that tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, means tuple does not support the mutability, that is modification. Now this will not give me an error. Let me just have that part. I will just comment it out so that you will get to know that it is an error. So that's all for the tuple part. Thank you guys for watching the video. And if you found the video informative, then do like the video, share it with your friends who are learning Python, and subscribe the channel for more such informative videos. We will have sets and dictionaries in the next video. So press that bell icon so that you will come to know when I will post it. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.